Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync email on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your device. Once there, scroll down until you find and tap on the Mail option. This section manages all your email preferences. Next, tap on Accounts to see any existing email setups or to add a new one. This is where we begin the process of getting your emails flowing smoothly. To add a new email account, simply tap on Add Account. You'll then see a list of common email providers like iCloud, Google, or Outlook. Select your specific provider from this list. After choosing, you will be prompted to enter your full email address and the corresponding password. Make sure to input these details accurately to ensure a successful connection. Once your account details are entered, you'll see options to enable various services. Ensure the mail toggle is switched on to allow your emails to sync. You can also choose to sync other items like contacts, calendars, or reminders if you wish. After making your selections, tap the Save button, usually located in the top right corner. This will finalize your account setup and begin the syncing process. Now that your account is set up, open your Mail app to confirm that your emails are syncing correctly. You should start seeing new messages appear. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your iPhone has a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. If emails still aren't syncing, revisit the Mail and account settings to double-check your configuration. Sometimes a simple toggle off and on can resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.